Hey guys, in this video we are gonna learn about the Laravel. So how we can start with the Laravel. So the latest version of the Laravel is 5.6. So let's getting started with that. And first of all, you have to open your browser Chrome and write here Laravel. So just go on this site. You can see here very light content and very beautiful website. So just go on documentation and you can see that the doc.5.6 that means this is the latest version, and if you want to see the previous version, these are here. So let's get started with the installation. First of all, you have to require the composer, and if you don't have the composer, you can see over the another video and how we can install the composer in Ubuntu. So this video about the specific for how we can start with the Laravel. So just copy this command and just open your command, and first of all just write here composer, and you must have to install this composer. You can see that here, and if you don't have, then see over the last video. So just write here and you will see some. It will take some moments to install and you can wait for that. And I'm going to pause this video because it can be take some longer time, and it would be waste your time. So I'm going to just pause this video and I'll be come back just after installing that for the next step. So now you can see that our Laravel is installed because I have already installed this version, so there is nothing for update. And now we can go for the another command. So after that, go to the directory where you want to install your Laravel. Like I want to install in where HTML and make directory Laravel. Okay, so now just go in the it's Laravel. Now just go to the Laravel and just run your command, which is the Laravel new blog, and still it will be take just some moments. And during this installation, you may face some we can say that the errors, because the dependency is also the Laravel dependency have on the PHP 7.1 for Laravel 5.6, and if you don't have installed, maybe you will face some issues. And if you face some kind of issues, we will install during this video, because you have to know about them. So I think there is no issue for now, and it could be better. So you can see that these are these kind of dependencies which we are installing. And actually Laravel is going to heavy with the new versions when Laravel start with the 4 point start. But what is the last stable version? We can see that this is 4.2. This is a very lightweight, and now Laravel is also lightweight, but the size of files are more than the previous versions. So now you can see that everything is installed finally. So we have to run now just one more command, and you have the another command. If you want to install the previous version, then you can use this command. This is the composer create project, and here you can write the version. So now just use the PHP artisan serve. So just write I have to go first of all the blog, because this is my project, and write here. So Laravel is deploying server on that, on this URL, so you can copy here and this will be run here. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of issue, then let me know by the comment and I'll try to solve your problem. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.